Hey everyone, my name is Amanda Dowdy and I am a 6-year AVP Pro. Welcome to my kitchen. So this recipe is inspired by Switch for Good. It is a comforting Bolognese with Zoodles, and in case you were wondering, Zoodles are a zucchini noodle, and today I am gonna use zucchini and butternut squash noodles. We're gonna start with making this sauce. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. And the pan is on medium heat. And then we're gonna add some garlic slivers to the pan and let them toast a little bit. You wanna let this toast for about a minute. You don't want these to get brown. So once you start smelling the garlic, that's a good sign to add in the crushed tomatoes. And we are gonna add it to the pan and then add in your crushed red pepper and your oregano. Stir it all up. And you wanna let this come to a simmer. And you can tell when it's done once the sauce kind of turns like a orange red. All right, we're gonna add in the shallots, our garlic, tomato paste, and we're gonna get this sauteing on the pan for about a minute or two. And you can start adding your vegetables. The bell pepper, our mushrooms, the lentils. And today I'm gonna use some liquid aminos. This is a great salt substitute and it's packed with vitamins. All right, now I'm gonna add in the walnuts and let those saute a little bit with the rest of the vegetables. And this is gonna saute for about, I would say 5 minutes. And we are gonna add in the vegetables and the walnuts with the sauce. Stir that in, get it all mixed up. And once it is nice and mixed, we are gonna top it off with the basil. And we are gonna just let that simmer while we start making our zoodles. Let all the flavors blend in with each other. Now it is time to make our zoodles. I'm gonna put just a little bit of olive oil in the pan to help them keep from sticking. And you don't wanna overcook them to where they're mushy. We want to saute them for about 2 minutes. So after we plate it, we are gonna top it off with some vegan Parmesan cheese from Violife. Guys, I'm super excited that in 2020, they make really, really good, yummy vegan cheese. So I don't find myself missing regular dairy cheese at all. I get my fix through this. And we're done.
Nailed it.